Oh, what fun it is to play together all day long. All the bears are happy here, but wait, there's something wrong. Why is our southern guest just sitting over there? He doesn't want to sing or play. Oh, poor little bear.
Oh, what we can do, teacher, to cheer the panda up.
Let's make something delicious. You are ready, pandas?
Yup!
Is there a treat so yummy we all can try to make? The treat for Afro Panda is a chocolate creamy cake. First we need to make a list of what we need for our feast. Milk and butter, yeast and eggs, sugar cubes and flour bags. The leaven's ready now at last. We mix and pour it on the pan, turn on the oven, that's the plan. Look at our friendly team, now we are up to make some cream. Eggs and sugar, lemon juice, what else do we have to use? That was easy and so fast. Take the crust and spread the cream. That's the cake of Panda's dream. Final touch, it's almost done. Bring the berries, they're all gone. Strawberries and cherries too. Thank you, Mouse, so nice of you.
Where is our panda friend? Please call him again. Let's walk him into the room and see what happens then. Why is our southern guest so happy out there? He has finished second piece, a merry chocolate bear.